Hi, it's Jonathan from Builderwebs, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a logo. So to create a logo, you want to head to builderwebs.com/Fiverr. There's a link to this in the description, so feel free to click on it and navigate to the link. I'll also put it large on screen so you can see it. So that's builderwebs.com/Fiverr with 2 R's, and then navigate to this page. And then you need to join Fiverr. When you've joined Fiverr, you can basically explore what's available. Fiverr is a collection of developers and designers that can create pretty much anything for you, as you can see across the top there, all the different services they have involved. But we're going to create a logo. So to create a logo, go under Graphics and Design, and then click on Logo Design. In here, as you can see below, you can get designers to create logos for you, or you can use the Logo Maker to customize pre-made logos and get a logo really quick that can be used on social media and all sorts of different things. So if you click on Logo Maker and you add a brand name in, you can also add a slogan, and then it generates the results below. You can click on industry, for example, and you can choose, say for example, the business is in real estate, you want to create a logo that fits that industry, you can do that. Same with food and beverage. Ours is in technology, so I'm going to choose technology. And then on here, I'm going to choose gaming. And you can see it changes based on what's being put in. And finally, I'm going to add a graphic element. It says it could be a dog, could be the sun, could be a flower. I'm just going to put gadget in, hit enter. I'm going to find a logo and basically tweak it, customize it to how I want. So this is the one I'm going to customize, so I'm just going to click on it. And then I'm going to choose, for example, this one, but you can go through the whole range and see what best fits you. You can see what it looks like on different elements, for example, social media, business cards, the cup. When you're ready to customize it, you can click on customize. And when you go inside, you can also choose those suggested designs anyway. So if you weren't sure of one, you can go back through that list. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to click on, for example, the name, the brand name, and you can change it in there. You can also change the font, so I'm going to change it to Poppins, and I'm going to change it to, for example, extra bold. You can also change the font size by doing it that way. And down over, I'm going to change the colour from blue to black. I'm going to click on this icon and I'm going to change that to black as well. That one, I'm going to leave the black background colour just as it is there. You can go into the name, again like you've seen before, and you can change the name, you can change different things around. You can add a slogan in, you can put a shape, so for example, you could put it inside a shape. A square or a circle. I'm going to turn that off because I'm not going to use it. You can change your background, and there's layouts. In terms of changing how this looks, you can drag it around like that. You can drag it like that and it'll show that that's, for example, the center. You can make it larger by doing that, for example. Make it smaller that way. I'm just going to put it in the center, and I'm just going to drag it to the left a little bit, and then I'm going to move this down, and as you drag it you can centralize it to that, and you can also make that bigger by, for example, the font size there. If you just want to auto align it to the center, you can click on auto align, and I'm quite happy with that design, so I'm just going to click on buy and download, and just make sure that you've activated your account, and then you can continue to buy it. Now that I've activated my account, I'm just going to refresh the page. And I'm going to show you the different options that are available to buy the logos. So you can go for the essential one, where you get instant delivery. But for example, you don't get the extra options below here, where you get the SFG file, where it can be stretched on the website without distorting. You get the websites and app logo files, social media kits. So the social media kit in itself is very, very good, because essentially you can get the logo for all these different social media sites. So it's very, very helpful. And you can get Zoom backgrounds and everything like that. I recommend going for this one or this one, because you get an extra chance to revise your logo. You can also download a sample of not your logo, but how it would all look. So when you're ready, click on Buy Now. And then pay for the logo, and I'll see you on the next page. Once you've bought the logo, you'll land on a page similar to this. I opted for the professional version, and I've done 2 variations of the logo. That's why your screen might look a little bit different. But ultimately, I'm opting for this. To download the assets, the logo, you just click on Download Assets. And then you can open up the zip file and start looking at the logos. So I'm just going to open up the zip file. And then I'm going to have a look at the kit. In here we can have a look at all the different logos that we created in Fiverr. So you can look at the site icon. You can look at the website files. You can look at the social media kit, so logos for Facebook, for example, for Twitter, and so on. If you want to see how to create an e-commerce website or a blog website, you'll see the links on screen. I hope this tutorial's been helpful and you've seen how to create a logo. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to see future videos. I'm Jonathan from Builderwebs, and thank you for watching the video.